Hey people of the internet, welcome again. As everyone's talking about the AI is replacing designers, but let's be honest, AI is not replacing designers in 2025, but it's replacing the bad design habits. And if you're doing these three things manually, AI has replaced your job you haven't noticed yet. The first habit AI is already been killed is the writing a placeholder copy from the scratch. Previously, I used to write any learn if some text or a filler text and I was wasting time a lot. And now I am using the ChatGPT or Figma AI for any of the component context and getting it and pasting it these copies into the any of the micro copy for any of the user flows. That is pretty much helpful for me. So the second one is the pixel by pixel adjustment by using the AI that can be resize, balance and do it very optimizedly. That can be done by using the tools by Figma AI and also the auto layout AI integrations inside the Figma. And that is very helpful in resizing, balancing, or any adjustment of typography without me nudging the pixels all day. And the third one is the guessing if your color or the text sizes are accessible. And you can do it by using the Figma AI plugin. It is the stark or might be the other contrast checker. You can use it and it will suggest fixes and real-time changes and you're not needing to do it manually. It is very helpful and you can also validate with the users who are having a problems with any deficiency or might be any color deficiency or might be having a problem with the accessibility. So you can do it and it will save you a lot of time. AI isn't just replacing designers. It is just replacing the bad, sloppy, repetitive, lazy habits. If you're wanting to thrive as a designer in 2025, AI is really helpful in more on thinking rather than random clicking. And if you guys wanting more videos like in AI workflow, let me know in the comments. I will do more such videos. Till then, have a great time, have a great day. Till then, have a great, amazing weekend. See you guys in the next video. Peace.